Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scooter is NMAX V2 non-ABS and the battery is charged. Low voltage skews diagnostics. Next, plug an OBD2 adapter or Yamaha diagnostic tool into the service connector and read the fault codes so you know the root cause. While you have the panel off, visually inspect wiring, connectors, the oxygen/sensor area, spark plug, and air filter. These quick checks often reveal damaged wires or loose plugs, and they guide which component you'll test or replace first. Once you have codes, systematically test affected components with a multimeter. Check sensor voltages, continuity, and grounds, because a bad ground or open wire often triggers the check engine light. If a sensor reads out of spec, swap it with a known good unit or bench test it. For ignition faults, test the coil and spark plug gap. If you find corroded connectors or frayed harness sections, repair or replace them and make sure all grounds are tight, since electrical integrity prevents recurring faults. After repairs, clear fault codes with your scan tool, or if unavailable, disconnect the battery for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ECU to reset. This removes historical flags. Once cleared, make a controlled road test and monitor live sensor data to confirm the fault does not reappear, because the check light can return if the root cause remains. If it does come back, immediately reread the stored codes and concentrate on the recurring component or wiring run. That's your troubleshooting clue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.